So Google Flow just launched a new update that is going to change AI content creation forever. Now, I created this long form video using this latest update. And guys, I want to show you how you can use this latest update, Omni Flash 1.1, to create a long form video up to 30 seconds long and more. If you want to know how to do this, then stay with me. Let's walk you through step by step on this latest new features Google AI released on their platform. And guys, without much ado, let's go. Omni 1.1 Flash is now in Google Flow. Now, this is a new update, the latest update on Google Flow. I've introduced this first frame and last frame. So, okay, we are going to try this and see how true this is and the result and the output. Platform, this is their link. Okay, I'm going to leave it in the description of this video, right? Then once you open this, okay, so the moment to open your Google Flow, you want to see this. This is the new update. Okay, so we are going to get started. All right, so this is the interface. Make sure you sign in with your Google email address. Now, if you look up here, every time you sign in with a new account, you receive 50 credits, and the credit refreshes every day. That means there is 50 credits every day you sign in to this platform, and every email you log in with, you receive 50 credits. Okay, so another new feature that has been introduced into Google Flow is, if you come down, you want to see visible watermark. Now, what does this mean? It means you can literally export and download your video without any watermark on it. So you are in control now. You can literally allow it to remain on, or you can turn it off, right? So this is how you use this particular feature. So this is one of the new updates. I want to point it to you. All right, so once you are here and you see this new project, let's go ahead and try this new feature that Google Flow AI introduced. Okay, so this is what the interface looks like. All right, you're going to see this starts creating or drop a media. So if you're using your mobile phone, you're going to see this interface also. So they also have a mobile app, so you can download it from a Play Store if you're using Android, and if you're using Apple phone, you can get it in the App Store. So now this is the first changes I noticed. Now when I click here where we have the models, I can find Omni 1.1 Flash, okay, but I can't find the first one again. So I don't know how yours is over there. Let me know in the comment section. Are you having the two models, or it just Omni 1.1 Flash, the new one? Okay, so we proceed. Now, once you look down, you want to see 360p, 360p resolution, 720p resolution. Amazing. And then you can create up to 8 seconds, 10 seconds long video. Now, let's see how much credits this 360p cost if we select 360p resolution. Don't worry, we're going to see the quality. Let's compare the credits usage first for each of these resolution. All right, now 360p up to 10 seconds, we are going to generate with 7 credits. And if you use 8 seconds, you are using 6 credits. And if you use 6 seconds, you are using 5 credits. If you use 4 seconds, you're using 4 credits. Guys, this is insane, because with 50 credits every day, you can literally generate a lot of videos. But don't worry, we are going to see the quality. Now let's look at the 720p. 720p remains 15 credit for 10 seconds video. Let's give a simple prompt. So I'm going to give this prompt. It's a Hollywood kind of prompt. Okay, a cinematic night scene, right? So let's see if it's going to give us everything, and then let's see the quality, both variations. Okay, wow, the result is here. Now let's take a look at this.
You actually came back.
I never left.
This is the result of creating this video using 360p. You can see the output, right? Now let's extend this and add more scenes to it. Guys, are you excited about this? Now watch this. Now once you are here, this is the timeline. Now I want to take this last frame so that we can use it to continue from where we stop for consistency. So watch what I'm going to do here. I'm going to go ahead and save. Click on this little icon here. You want to see save to frame. Click on it. All right, now it has been saved. Uploading frame. Okay, so it is uploading. Good. It's now saved to your all images. I'm going to dismiss this. Now I'm going to return back to this place. This is the screenshot we took. Add it to prompt. All right, just drag it and add it to prompt. Okay, so I'm going to continue from here. I'm going to paste my scene 2. So let's say you have scene 1, scene 2 to the last scene. So use this. Now watch what I'm going to do. Don't just rush out first because you will not want to waste your credits. Okay, so you see something like this continue seamlessly from the final frame of the previous scene. Very important. Now maintain the exact. Okay, now this is very important because with this you have that consistency that you're looking for. All the prompts that I use in this video, I will leave them the pinned comments of this video. Okay, so check it out and try it out yourself, following the same steps. Okay, so I'm going to still maintain the same ingredient. We are still using 360p and we are still at 10 seconds, so we are still using 7 credits. So go ahead and hit generate. Let's see if it's going to pick from where it stopped and it's going to maintain the exact visual appearance and everything. All right, now let's see. Okay, so take a look at this. The result is here.
Then why did you disappear?
Because you told me to.
Wow, this is lovely. Okay, I want to show you something else. Now let's head back to our platform. Okay, now this is it. We still have 360p and we still have some credits. Okay, let's see how much credit we still have remaining here. We have 14 credit. That means we still have to generate 2 more videos. Okay, so let me complete this so I can show you something. Now for you to make this scene 3. Okay, so I'm going to take the last frame. Okay, the last frame of this video, and we are going to do the same thing. So do the same thing, exact thing. Come here. This is the last frame, right? Awesome. Okay, so I'm going to come here and take this. Now it's been saved. Now let's complete this scene 3 and I will show you how you can use this and create your long form video. So stay with me. Okay, add this to prompt and then paste your entire script here. Remember, all your settings is on 360 and it's 10 seconds and it's 7 credits. Okay, let's hit generate. Another feature that Google Flow actually introduced is the end frame, like the frames. Okay, I'm going to show you how you can do this. The start frame and the end frame. I will show you what I created using this method. Okay, so but first let's extend this video and then let's create long form video using this. Okay, the result is here. Let's see.
Is that what I think it is?
You should read it.
Why now?
Because you deserve to know the truth.
This is absolutely beautiful. We finished extending our videos. Now, how do we now add it up to clip to create a long form video? Okay, click here. Okay, where you have this plus button, click here, add clips, right? Now I'm going to go ahead and make sure you have your scene 1, scene 2, so you don't make mistake. Okay, this is our scene 1, so add it and it will show this way, creating scene. All right. Okay, if you noticed, let me zoom in so they can see this. If you notice, this is our scene 3. Okay, I want this to be our scene 1. So what I need to do is just to move it like we are moving, to rearrange it. You can see this, right? Home. And that's it. We've gotten our scene 1. This is our scene 1, right? And then you can click here to add our scene 2. Okay, this is our scene 2. So we added this. Okay, so our scene 2 is here. Now let's roll it. Okay, go. You see that? You see the continuation? This is exactly how your movie should feel like. I love it. You see? Now let's look at the continuation from here. See this? See this? So this is how you use it to create your long form video. Now, if you notice here, we have up to 30 seconds. 30 seconds long video. And it's incredibly insane, guys. Right? And if I play this, you're going to see how it came out as. Right? So if you are cool with this, once you are done generating everything, you can go ahead and download everything from here.
You actually came back.
I never left.
Then why did you disappear?
Because you told me to.
Is that what I think it is?
You should read it.
Why now?
Because you deserve to know the truth.
Start frame. Okay, that is another new update on this platform, that is frames. So once you select these frames, right, we still have 7 credits remaining, so we can generate 1 more video. All right, so once you select this, you want to see start frame and end frame. Now take a look at this. Okay, I've added my start frame and this is my end frame. So I'm going to give this prompts. Okay, this prompt is detailed. including the camera angle, the environment, and everything is, is included here. Now remember, we are still using 10 seconds and it's still 360p and it's still sound credit. So let's watch and see. And we are using video and frames. Okay, and the result is here. So let's go ahead and explore this. Now, another important thing you need to notice is that if you want to download it from, you can see this. If you want to increase it to sound 20p, you can't download it. You need to upgrade. So you see, this is a game changer for AI content creators. So if you watched this time, let me know what you think about this new update, okay, in the comment section of this video. And then use this style and start creating that long form video. And guys, until then, see you in the next one.